Hey guys, okay, I told you that I'm gonna be back, so here I am with actually a really cool topic: how to make yourself look younger, like if you know the Botox effect that makes you look like so good. So quick tip right now, I've already done this in some of my other videos, but some people have not gotten it, so I said I'm just gonna do a special video on this. So basically you're gonna need a scrunchie. Okay, I want you to analyze my face right now, okay? Analyze it. See how my eye shapes are? You see, this is me resting, okay? Okay. Now, what you'll have to do is you should put your hair in a ponytail, a half pony, something. You have to stretch out your hair, okay? And if you want to do like a bump, like I like to do like a little bump, but make sure like these are like totally stretched out. Like give yourself a migraine kind of thing, okay? You take a scrunchie, you put it in your hair, okay? Then you kind of tighten it. Now, analyze my face. Do you see what's going on? I can't like I could barely make that muscle over here. I don't have any of the lines going on here. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Do you see my face? Do you see what I just did? I just did a half ponytail. Yeah, you could even do a ponytail, you could do a bun, whatever you want. My real face, I'm gonna do smiling. Do you see now the wrinkles? Do you see the wrinkles? Do you see the wrinkle? But, I cannot believe that I'm showing you my defects. This is not good. It's okay, I don't care. As long as you guys be learning something, shoot. This is educational. What you think? This is an educational video. Damn, girl. Okay, so now, see? I can't really make it. No wrinkle. And it just feels so good. Everything is like back. Do you see the face? Like it looks like I have Botox. Like sometimes I'm telling you, my girlfriends are like, the Botox looks really good on you. I did not spend $1,000. What I spent is $1. It was on my scrunchie to make me look like this. So I'm just letting you guys know that you guys can do this at home for free, or $1, or you probably even have the scrunchie. Another cool thing that I love to do is if you wear your hair down and you're like, damn, I want to wear my hair down, but my wrinkles are going to come out. You can totally do that by taking these hairs over here. Okay, you see these hairs over here, and then pushing it back and making another little thing. See, it's so pushed back, and I have it here. You take the hair next to your ears, okay, and you take it on the other side and you do a really tight ponytail underneath all your hair so no one really sees it. You don't need that much hair. A rubber band would be better for this because it's a tiny little ponytail, and that's how you can do it with your hair down. Guys, try it at home. Send me pictures. I want to see how you guys are doing it. Listen, it works. I do it. I've been doing it for years, and it's something to think about if you want to like look. Okay, don't even look at this hair right now. It's so sexy. Anyways, do it, and then when you go to like a wedding or you go to an event that you really want to look good, instead of like going and getting your makeup done and spending all this money and doing this, just do your hair like this, do your own makeup. Believe me, your no wrinkles and your face looking more like, you know, those models, like those Russian models, their eyes are like all almondy, is better than you go spending hours and hours of money, hours of your time and hours and a lot of money on makeup. You're gonna look horrible because you're just gonna look old and disgusting. You might as well just do this to yourself and do your own makeup, and you're gonna look divine. All right, guys, let me know if you guys tried it and if you like it.